Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that I will share you in this video right here. So I can simply show you the top 3 free traffic sources to make $300 plus per day in affiliate marketing with free traffic on ClickBank and Digistore24. If you don't know affiliate marketing is basically a simple products you are grabbing from others people and you are promoting whenever you made a purchase, so you are getting the commission for that. So that is the really powerful way to make money online. So in this video I'm going to share with you exactly that how you can do that. The first and important is that you need to sign up with ClickBank account by clicking right here on the sign up button. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account. I have already logged into my account, and I can simply go to the marketplace. You can also go there. Once you go there to the marketplace, then you can simply scroll down on the left side. You can see main categories right here, which is available. Any category you want to promote, you can simply promote. But basically, I will just start promoting with this health and fitness. And health and fitness, I can simply go to the beauty, which is subcategory. I can simply click on that. Once I click on that, I can see here all the products available. I sorted by the gravity as well right here, and I can simply see here this DVN locks, which is the first product about hair fall or something like that. So we can just make money something like that. $114 per sale we can get as a commission from this website or from this product right here. So we can see the sales page and affiliate tools area right here. If we click on that, so we will be visited this page right here, which will be the sales page. And if anybody just click right here, you can just read each and everything, and it's really converting. If they were interesting, they can get purchased. When they purchase, we get the commission. So that is as simple as this. And here we have affiliate tools area. We have a lot of information. You can simply read all these if you want to make more money and more details, so you can simply read all these things. But if you don't, so you can simply scroll down and you can see here download email swipe. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, you will be visiting this page right here. They can give you the title, description, and each and everything for promoting this offer right here. Basically, you can simply copy and paste and you can start making money with this brilliant product. So I'm going to share with you the first traffic source right here that you can promote your product for absolutely free, which is the bedpage.com. Bedpage is a website actually that you can start making money with that for absolutely free. If according to the similar web, that how many people are coming to this website each month right here. If we just go and check right here, you can see here that 5.4 means almost 5.5 million people are visiting this month each month to this website and purchasing products right here. And most of the traffic, like 92% traffic, is coming from United States, which is really unique. So you can simply click on the post ads. You can add the title, description, and grab the affiliate links from here by just clicking the promote button. You can simply grab that link and then go to Tiny or Bitly URL shortener website, and you can pass your ugly link right here, and that can shorten your link, which will look something like this. You can simply copy that and you can just paste it in the description of your post, and then you can simply promote. So similar to this traffic source, we have another traffic source actually by just clicking right here. Okay, we can simply have this traffic source. This is also a brilliant free traffic source actually that we can start promoting our product with that by just clicking the register button right here. We can simply sign up with this website and start promoting right here. And we have another products right here, another website like 𝐴𝑢𝐶𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤.com. This website name is AU, means it's Australian based website. AU.𝐶𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤.com, which is the main name is this, and as well as the address is this. You can simply search it and you can start promoting your product by just clicking and post your ads right here. So I just made you can see one is the secret classifieds.com, another one is this one, which is au.sakuka.com, and the third one is bedpage.com. These are the three different websites. I just posted one ad on this website right here. I will just show you that how it looks. I just posted recently a couple minutes before on this website. This is the title I just give. Here is the categories that I select, and here is the description and the website section. I just added my affiliate link, which is this one. I shorten with tiny URL. I just paste it right here. So whenever people just come right here, they can simply click on that. Whenever people just click, they will be redirected to this page right here. Whenever they purchase from this page, we get the commission. So that is as simple as this. So hope you like this method and this strategy and work on that, and it's 100% working method and working strategy right here. Okay, if you want to make more money online with affiliate marketing, whether you are using ClickBank, Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, then you can simply check out the first link in the description, and you will see this amazing training actually on how you can make an affiliate marketing for with basically with ClickBank, and as well as with other products or other website right here, that you can grab your affiliate link and start promoting uh, uh, the product and getting hundreds and thousands of commissions like this each day and each week and each month right here for absolutely free. So this is a unique website, a unique software actually can does all the work for you. So if you like it, then hit the like button for this video and smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.